Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing at Gadgets 360. Today we're going to unbox the Honor View 20, the latest high-end smartphone from Honor. Let's get started. So this is the Honor View 20, the latest high-end smartphone from Honor. As we can see, the box is a straightforward affair, and the box itself alludes to the fact that it has a dual camera setup at the back and a display hole for the selfie camera, which eliminates the notch. Let's get into the box now. We are greeted with the phone up top. Let's boot up the phone. While the phone is booting up, let's go over the design. The most prominent aspect of the design is the display hole for the selfie camera, which eliminates the notch, which is a polarizing design trend. On the bottom we have a USB Type-C port and a single loudspeaker and the primary microphone. Up top we have a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is fast becoming a rarity in flagships, so it's good to see that Honor has not eliminated that. On the back we have a dual camera setup along with an LED flash, a centrally located fingerprint sensor. This time Honor has not stuck with an in-display fingerprint sensor, which frankly the technology is not very advanced right now, so we are glad. Now let's set up the phone. Before we head into the phone, let's look at the contents of the box. Up top we have a SIM ejection tool, and inside we have a silicone case. Let's see that. The quality doesn't seem to be half bad, so that's nice. There's no documentation inside, as this is not the official retail box, and we do not know whether the Indian retail box will be the same. There's a 40-watt fast charger, which is, as you can see, quite big. There's a USB Type-C cable, and there are no earphones inside. Now again, the Indian retail box might come with earphones, so please keep that in mind. Let's go back to the phone now. As you can see, we have set it up. Now this phone runs Honor's new MagicUI 2.0, which is based on Android 9 Pie, and it's an evolution of Honor's EMUI, which we have seen in their old phones. So there's a new design scheme, and there are a ton of AI features built in. So the phone is powered by the Kirin 980 chipset, which is Huawei's flagship processor, and it is used in flagship phones like the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, which recently launched in India. As we can see, the phone is very fast and fluid. Of course, you will have to wait for the full review to see how the performance holds up. As I told you before, this runs the new MagicUI, which basically Honor claims that they have simplified EMUI and they have reduced the amount of bloatware. They have tried to simplify the experience. There is no app drawer as such, and just like the iPhone, all the icons are placed on the home screen itself. So this variant has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. So the biggest USP of the phone is the display hole for the selfie camera, which eliminates the notch entirely. So as we can see, the screen is vivid and it has almost minimal bezels. So the rear camera is a 48-megapixel affair, which is paired with a secondary 3D time-of-flight sensor, which can recreate 3D renders of objects or even recreate an avatar of yours. So we'll have to wait and see how this 3D time-of-flight sensor, is it a gimmick or does it actually contribute to real-world use. And turning it around, as we can see, the sapphire blue color looks really nice. It reflects light in a beautiful way. There are two more colors on offer, red and black. Again, we do not know whether they'll make it to India, but Honor told us that they're evaluating feedback, and the red color, which looks striking, might make it to Indian shores. So there's a 4000 mAh battery inside, which I think is needed to power this huge 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display. The display looks gorgeous because of the minimal bezels. It flows from edge to edge, and this is one of the highlights of the phone. The colors are vivid, the colors are punchy, and I'm pretty sure anyone will be satisfied with this display. In China, the phone has been priced at 3,499 yuan, which roughly translates to around 35,500 rupees. We can expect the price to be a bit lower, as that price is for the 8GB variant and the 6GB variant is coming to India. So that was our unboxing and first look of the Honor View 20. Do let us know what you think of the smartphone in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.